Look,
all right.
the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Owusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas compared to those. I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Baumia, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Dr. Brian Champong, Educhum, Honorable Kwabena, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama.
Okay, Abusafo say Muti Ohene Nka. Na say yenyi na yenim say krom ha no. Yesi Ohene enye politics meboa. Enti since wodi wo ho abehye politics mo and you want to be a politician as a king and as a chief, yes, we will address you like how we address politicians in this country. What you say? For you to open your mouth and say and call the former vice president of this country Sankwas. Now, you have to take it like that. Minimum a crobia, yet was a crobia officer. We are a Ohene. And see, I'm shocked that Ube Babonti, and I said, this is not your first time. 2024, you did the same thing. Actually, I said something that you plan to do. Now we will address you, and then since you want to fall in the mud with your seat now, Akwenyana would say so respect it. Sa Akwenyano, and see who do who ebe rap politics more. Yen kolani nyinano will disrespect you or any. Would you respect sir? Would disrespect you. Akwenya kantana wotinasino. Will disrespect you, papa. Because who do mwaba yambe cow. This is our internal politics. And found yam frɛ wo bibia se beka bibia wo. Since I would do huba, you have to be ready for the results na ebeba. Because echina your best whole life amount. Now, in some my PFE word mabano, you have to take it like that. Because since you as a chief, Mambisa word, Juma Papa Beno to me Yama Ukrovro as a king or chief, Juma Papa Ben and out to me Yama Ukromfo. Why can't Edward Sarkoyan say we want? Because the war Ukasa at time. You don't even deserve to be a chief in any community. Who deserve it? Who be Ohene? Who community be asu? Now who a Juma Papa Ben and now to me Yama who come for who come for a Juma Papa Ben out to me. San Tarina who share hands and I said, now San Tarino, our market will be a better Makobi. Say who bet you must stand assemblyman and as a unit committee member cry. Okay, you bebu se mama. And then you call people that are standing in a position you have mouth and call them say your sankwas. Ukra sakwenya funa otizuru. Obi abetuma atina sakwenya so. Obi abetuma atina so. But for you to stand obetuma campaign ama obi ajiwedi atu abama no ka say easy. Honorable candidate Japan so the ni sase asensum kram nyesha say obetuma no. This is our internal politics. And found be bia ofi. Nobody's call you here. Mr. Chief or whatever. They say echena part 2 you be or live so.
Ablante bi na social media address or he. And now say o de Muhammad na wa na the MPP omo apiri nyina gina ho nipa 5 no. O ma dwen no Mahama. No mu nyansa. omunum nyansa bia we wonyo he asio mo he ne friend of so nya pinto so mienu ba man tisi ko so bia nim we ye ne si konti hene ani wan ya nyetu no ama ko fa langa de fodi de chi mi achi ne ko tumo ko fodua ama me ka say asem no wo chi he ho ayemu ayekra ne nsam nyina bebre so court etima obi afo he o he to no so e fa na kwasi ring gold akwasi ring gold on timi nya o he na we hwe ne kra won so he ne hu ba bia ne we so he timo fo he no to no so ana mo post ni mo trend na we mahama ba ye no na to board so ofrachi masuom ana na to board so no nya ska akra ana dia kan na nsem hu se ne maso ya no ya chi ni tum last year wa ma hoto amasuom enti we mo bia mfo he to no so mamo nka sa mre na we otimi nyo he ne hu ba bia ne ho so he we ne hu ba bia ne ho so he oti ase okwa asuom a wi fo anko ne dinachi wo asuom nyi ne papa bia ni akwa we yachi okwa ho a oba no address o he no akofa wi fo dinachi gadam sefo we ne hu ba bia ni ho a eso he eti mo bia mo ni din ka so yo he na on se o he o ba bia do mi pilatu wa no te eno obesi hotel bi osuo mo no ba o da ho eno apa kola ketikiti bi na twempra onyo he ba bia sa blantie we eno no ni nyade to to ne so se oni ni nua ba o eti ka me yamfa he ni kura ma no eso me ofo he ya no so ebi o he ne ase de o ti no betimi aboa no eni ye ne we otimi nyo he ba bia eti mamo fo he o he to no so
yo when you asem na wo kofre nipa bi say so ndi we chi no nkoka bi ma we nyansa sembe no be kwa akoka ma na we nya otie didim we awo hene a wote wa wo kasa nkwase asem mi bi sa wo say MPP even MPP grassroots no mpo no MPP hena na wo a wote wa uni nyansa se no wo so hene a wo kasa jimi kasa we o MPP even MPP grassroots no mpo omumu hwan na wo uni nyansa se no nipa bia keke na makofa na so medi ohene nipa bi sei nti mpanyimfo tu agina kwa agina hyei esi enkofa nipa bi sei ma o man ben no di omoso kro ben no di omoso no ene sa kro ni muso de nyanse ni bia ni ho me o nyanse ni bia ni sa kro ni we ohene we ohene o di kro so nti nyansa sembe no ka kire ni manfo chese ahindi na ye fo ma obi asore ose ohene obi ya santua Ghana jollof say ya santua kro kwa Akwakoraa sa da di chei wan shebi ya santua kwa akon sa da di cha wo shei wan shebi mo sore anu mako titam hu kuntan se mo yo ohene jimi nkwa jimi chese ahindi na ba fo nti obi asore ose ohene we yo ohene we yo ohene we puto ontimi ndi hini we kwape mamu David we ene ne kasa fin we Jimmy kasa sei ohira awo manfo hwe wusunya o Jimmy asemo Ghana so yeti asem ho ohira we Jimmy so de nka mi mu bida
All right. Okay. Last one. Randy.
Kanye Ghana for me say no pay menyan kobo video bi so na mera ho ana me say afem papa yesi ohini bi a odi nana boadi obodade and sampa oba for Dr. Mahmoud Bahumia ho any nipa for a oni omokoko contested NPP flag bearership on the 31st of January 2026 no and fatase ohini bekasa na me buofu papa chese botamni bia oswo ohini wakofo we abubo wo ho te se ayi Jarvis girl na Nigeria ni girl na ayi robot Nigeria ni robot girl na or Jarvis eni won akosisa abo ho ase robot ebi esuso light we twa pampam se eko u begina ho ayo wanim se ne ozi tiwe ebedi di engineer Kwamna Eje Japan atem ebedi Dr. Mahmoud Bawomi atem ebedi di Onabo Kende Japan atem ebedi di Dr. Brian Champo atem na wo se ne hwan wo anipa chi konko
Also ohene ben pieto hene e wo kro ba so menyi ni se ohene papa bia be sa nya wo ye wo ese do ko ba bi ko hwe wadwum wo sa ibuadi obodade no ese do ko ba bi ko hwe wadwum. You see mo ana mo ma onkofo edidi mpanifo atem we say akra be fa camera sini so no odidi watem a o me so wadidi ohene atem we wonye ohene because menyi ni se ohene bia o sound mind a o ye okay a onyare onkika sa ansem no. How on earth ena enipa ye yi omo se ye kwakoto oba e ye yi mama emu ba ko ba be president of the Republic of Ghana no onkika sa sabe abodam semwe a wahihye wo ho te se bosun ade ye wahihye wo ho ye tonton okwan ho ekro ba so kra na ayo hene mo amunim no mo fa ni krom no nto comment section asema me ede na ekoso wo man yimu mpanifo se sabe ye wo Akwakoraa no na pani gyimifo so tifie sabe because na yi kan de osatem didie adenti na wo be ka champanifo aye koto aba mom so mo ye sankwas te se me jo ho amenti ase is it okay ana na dwumu ka no oya Dr. UN ana me de menyi so yo hene na so yo hene a onkofifa we mo bo ho se Jarvis na o metena se na Jarvis na o medidi mpanifo atem so mo ye sankwas na wo kra oto na wo ya o kasa ye twa video no unim se be ko viral uti minya sure say we correct ana minya sure so we hene wo ba bia so yo hene dia na ye pieto hene na oye because I don't get it. I cannot even fathom so penitoto so yo hene wo be kika nsem we ama abato social media. Come on. Eti sankofo we ye wo mo se ahemfo e wo Ghana ha dia we have a long way to go. Namaste.
Na mesi kuro ben na omo anya ni patini ni bia aboda ni we na omo akofa na besi wo so yo hene a ye de mic akosi na nim so onkase na tete bere mu ana ntokwa wo ho a ya asanto a oba kokodurufo eje so ma ahema wo twe atuo kwa akon ye kon tokwa brane wanu kuro se eche ye se wi wase we sa bemben wajiminti ya tam dade eche de ahye unyansa bi anim na anu awadwene na ade ujimi na Kwasea abesi ho ahye ma pieto wahini gyimifo dwan abesi ho biebie wanu te se de AI ene ye de kasa se ye ni papa na e kasa de a wahini wajimi papa na mpese mi hu kuro anti kuro no omukọ atifi kwa na afọ ye hunu nipa biara se tintinto Kwasea mpanyini we kwadwo besi a wote ho ma pieto ne hye no na nima chinchim abu wato so se ebratam bema hu fini ne hu kankani na nim tie ase ka hira ya bo okoso anema Kwasea mpanyini we ebe gina ho so oyo hene na nipa ne kasa wo hwe na nu anti mu hu sa asem efiri na no ba no won sese wo wura ahemfie mpo eye kuro be na enim amamre sa wo masai amamre ama na amane ne amamre nya akono Ghana ne akofa Kwasea we ya besi so oni ohene kuro be so no sa gyimifo we ya amofra omo ohene no ya amofo mene nam TV so mankura na adwene nya omo nwansane ne ehu ahemfo ayemu omo
abakade mikrofona sa kan omo biem omo sa kan omo ho NDC fo omo sa kan omo ho biem omo ya omo adwen say omo second term we and as His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the second term we omo sa de atoro in the be ye adwuma omo sa kan omo ho biem hwe video we.
He is right behind me, so he's fully aware of this. Each district is required to construct 2 new chips compounds this year. Each district. So if you put that together, we are talking in excess of almost close to 600 chips compounds. That will be put up this year alone, or at least work on them will start this year. If we maintain the tempo, that should give us over 2,000 chips compounds in the next 4 years. And this is a significant step towards improving healthcare services.
Video somewhere in June. By June 30th, more baby. And now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the spokesperson, and I say Minister for Information or whatever, Felix Ofusukwachi, editor just say aban o te kunya so sisia no NDC government and NDC aban we led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abom tirimu po and as I o ma adwen say by the end of 2025 eya fear ye di kwa wie yi a ene date ye be 6 and 7th no and 7th December no enko na wie no na aban we atimi si 600 chip compounds e de magana for 2 in every district. Was it district be benya chip compounds mienu into 2025 enko na wie no ma sie wie. Waiting a friend is for settings no. And I from a buy we say settings are buying scam are buying nada are buying cause omo that amount for. Was it 2025 inquiry and we see chip compound 600. Mr. says what district be no one who say even crown one started almost see chip compound be wa me who no comment section or dropping no comment section or what district be our who say and I want to say almost see chip compound they are so before year 2 foundation craft for chip compounder. Me who no comment section one. Enti Abibia Kasa NDC for a scam. Omo settings. This is the reason why. Obi was say 2025 from Kwari, you know, 600 chip compounds every district. Benya 2 no. You see, I know what I say. Akwakoraa district be nya Akwakoraa baako sei omunyai so the NTMI can say NDC for ameboa oman Ghana. On the other hand, obi esi agenda 111 in every district where the kind of facilities agenda 111 work and I'm say mono da bia mode Ghana ko na chi na mode ye ko ye chi abribia ni nti no oba ya say chip compounds na obisi wa abandon agenda 111 hospitals and nya dia obeto aso umfi and I see chip compounds and so I promise man for nan so a one send deliver one san so anye 600 in 2025 ye hu baako say nti me nyam one say His Excellency John Dramani Mama ofi akunya 2016 what the bibi ba na friend green book green book no now, person tell say the infrastructure why you was a green book nim. Now I bet you say, say green book no. Uhema, ni man na what green book no. Baby, now what say a located no ko ni ho. Wanye. But na green book ni chere say, ni ma say na why. In the on paper no, e chere say why. Ba kwa location physically na hu bibia why. In terms say be a chips compounds no mo sisi. Ba physically ye hu. Soon we are saying maybe I walk. Because this idea 600 chip compounds no. Ewa he. Musisi he. Because I feel the we are no December and then 7th. Aka kakrabini e wie. Inti wutimi for days na aka ni 600 chip compounds na aka no. So even kwa period now promise and what's being for here how much more period na aka no. The so on saka video be like now be share. Follow me so follow me for more updates. Macro.